Okay, so in this video we will learn how to simplify the skeleton. So because this is the basis for any anatomy drawing. So this is a first video of this playlist that I'm creating for how to draw anatomy for comics. So let's look at the skeleton here. And I'm just going to, so for the moment don't worry about the proportion or the posture or anything, just start with like an oval. Yeah, so that will be our the idea of a head. Okay, and like for the neck, just a little stick. So again, I've done this many times before, but I just want to put it into a coherent playlist. So this is basically doing a stick figure, a more complex version of a stick figure. And I'm going to draw this line like this. And these small dots are kind of just ways for me to tell myself that these are joints. And so that will represent the shoulder. So quickly go down just a little line. Again, I'm not following really the posture in the photo, I'm just drawing like the very basic simple version of it first. And then another line like this, a parallel one to the shoulder, which will represent the hip bone. And let me and then the same for the arm and the forearm and then the legs, right? So this will be the basis for any, like for example, if you're having trouble capturing a posture, you can actually totally use this to quickly get the gist of the gesture and then kind of build the details around that. So I'm going to do that like one more time. So the oval, the neck, the shoulder, and then as we move forward we will see how we cover this with two-dimensional first and then three-dimensional shapes and forms, and how we proceed on to draw movements, how to make movements more dynamic, and so on and so forth. Okay, so and of course we will also look at proportions. So this is just a very simple way to begin your anatomy, okay, for comics, and you'll see that this will come really useful as we go forward. So thank you for watching.